In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad account. If you want to start selling digital products, memberships, or other creative work online, Gumroad is a popular platform to begin with. The sign-up process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get your account set up without confusion. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type Gumroad. If you accidentally misspell it while searching, that's usually fine, because Google will still often show the correct result. After that, press enter to view the search results. On the results page, look for the official Gumroad website and click on it. Make sure you're selecting the legitimate Gumroad link so you land on the correct homepage. Once the site opens, take a moment to look around the page. You should see an option labeled Start Selling. Click that to begin the account creation process. Next, Gumroad will take you to the sign up page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Use an email address that you actively check, since platforms like this may send important confirmation messages, account alerts, or updates there. When choosing a password, make sure it's something secure and memorable. A strong password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's best not to reuse a password from another account. After filling in your email and password, click Create Account. At that point, Gumroad will begin setting up your new account and may take you directly into your dashboard or next setup screen. If you prefer not to enter your email and password manually, there's also another option. You can sign in using Google instead. This can be faster and more convenient, especially if you want to streamline the login process. To do that, select the Google sign-in option on the page, then click Google when prompted. You'll be asked to choose the Google account you want to use, and once you confirm it, Gumroad will connect that account and sign you in. That's all it takes to create your Gumroad account. Whether you register with an email and password or use your Google account, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. Once you're inside, you can move on to setting up your profile and preparing your first product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.